so we are back, and we will talk more about the pipe sizing and things like that as we go ahead and build the real cake. This is my real cake here. It's a 14-inch cake, 3 layers of filling, and 4 layers of cake, like I just said. The roulette wheel, I want the center, like this one, to be about approximately 8 inches. So what I do is I take an 8-inch cake board, place it right in the center, and I just kind of go around like this and mark it. And actually, you can just leave it right on there. Then what I do is I just take a knife, and I just want to cut down. I'm cutting probably about an inch down. Okay, and then what I do is I take the knife and I hold it at an angle like this, and I cut in and start cutting all the way around here. So you can go so far, and then you can kind of go like this and pull this cake out. Okay, turn it. So the knife's about 45-degree angle from the cake surface. And like right here, I can actually go ahead and, you know, kind of clean some of that up, even it out a little bit. But remember too, I mean, it doesn't have to be completely perfect because there are going to be other things. We're going to put more fondant on here for the numbers. We're going to have coins and dollar bills on here. And so, you know, if there's one little thing that's kind of out of shape a bit or, you know, not quite perfect, it's easier and faster just to actually cover it up with something rather than to spend more time trying to make it, you know, absolutely perfect at this point. Sometimes we just waste too much time doing things like that. Okay, that's pretty good. Now what I can do is go ahead and just take some more buttercream and fill that in so the fondant will stick to it once we're ready to cover it with fondant. And then we also have to take this off, kind of get it right in here. Okay, so when we get to this point, then we can take the little acetate paper that I like to use all the time and go ahead and smooth these edges, get off this excess. So we can go ahead and chill this a little bit, and we can actually even put a little bit more buttercream on the sides. And then this cake is prepared. Okay. So the only other thing on this cake is before the we have to make an insert here for where the pole is going to come up, and it's also going to hit the cake board underneath. So what you could do is before you build it actually on the cake board, you could have cut out a hole underneath, which I actually forgot to do. So I'm figuring, you know, I could have taken it off and then redone it, but I figured, you know, you're probably going to do that at home too. So I'll show you how to do it. You know, it's easier if you actually get your cardboard and cut a little hole right in the center. It's got to be about a 1/2 inch round because that's what the pipe is. Remember, it's 1/2 inch pipe. But I figured, hey, since I screwed up, I'll show you how to do it.